So today we will talk about Titano crypto. Here you can see currently the price of Titano is $0.001472. And if I talk about trading volume, the trading volume of Titano has been down with 47. It's been up with 47.34%. Yes, the trading volume of Titano has been increased with 47.34%. Market rank of Titano is 5394, which can go to double five double zero in a near future according to expert. Whereas here you can see 24-hour low volume, high volume. If you want to buy Titano, you can buy it from PancakeSwap V2HWYCH. Why Titano? Let me inform you. Titano is one of the good crypto, and in near future Titano can give you $1. And according to the technical analysis, current market condition, 70% buy and 30% sell will be beneficial for you. But this is my opinion. If you want to invest in Titano, you can invest at your own risk. So this is the video related to Titano. If you want to have investment in any crypto, do a proper crypto market research, because crypto market is highly volatile. When crypto will go up and when crypto will go down, no one can say exactly. This is the prediction related to the Titano crypto. We'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video related to the Titano coin or any other crypto. Please comment below which one is your favorite crypto.